I was lucky enough to find this hotel, Royal Spring Palm Hotel. The hotel is located at Akachi off Wedra Road, Owerri, Nigeria. This hotel is a home to Ezbo restaurants, the Tiki's Bar, Lavada Spa, a mother-of-pearl-tilled swimming pool with a beautifully lit circular fountains and an air-light poolside bar. So here is a quick tour I had with Miss Anita, one of the staff.
So what do you have to say? This hotel, what is it like? How many hectares of land does it consist of? Okay.
It's
very big. It's massive, yeah.
Massive.
It's very, very massive.
As you can see, it has a hall, a very big hall that can contain up to 500 capacities of people.
Wow.
And this is our business center, the spa, the supermarket, and the salon. That's our lavender salon.
Okay.
I saw something there. Is that among the hotel? Is it a basketball court?
Yeah, it's a basketball.
What else is there? Basketball court.
Just basketball court. We have a gym. I'll take you to the gym.
Okay.
And this is our 2-bedroom bungalows.
Okay.
It's big. It's beautiful. Like,
man, I'm so excited, guys. I'm really
it's beautiful. The ambience alone is wow.
Yes, the ambience is
green trees, beautiful
houses.
Yeah, beautiful view of the lakeside.
Okay.
You can actually see that. I'll take you where you can see that. And our high rises. This is a 2-bedroom high rise.
Okay.
It's wonderful.
Wow.
And this is a 1-bedroom bungalow.
Why not get this and do
Okay, the other one is 2, right?
It's 2 bedroom.
This one is 1.
Yeah, 2 bedroom.
That's the same thing.
So this place, like, how many entrances does it have?
It has 3 entrances, 2 big entrances and 1 small entrance to the south.
How many is working now? How many is open now for now? 2 is open now.
That's the dream house.
Okay. So guys, as you can see, I'm really enjoying the time of my life. Man, I'm very, very glad to be here today. So guys, if you're coming back and you want to spend your time in a very cool place, a very place like when you stay, you can't even know that.
A home away from home.
Yes,
yeah.
Exactly. Man, this is the right place. This is the right place.
You can say that again.
Come over and enjoy yourself. No joke, it's really, really wonderful. I don't even have to say no joke. You guys have seen for yourself. It's cool, yeah, man. I love this place. Let's get to the swimming pool. I want to take a drone shot of the swimming pool.
Guys, if you found this video informative or entertaining, please click the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Cody.